Hey guys, this is Robert, and today we're going to be unboxing this Fanttik Next L1 Ace 9-bit screwdriver. So unleash your potential challenge limits. Let's see, let's go around the box. Here's some specs. Address, how to contact them, SKU. Right, so bring it up. Okay. Here's this nice carrying case. Very nice. And the user manual. Here's the screwdriver. The battery indicator, torque level, screw, unscrew. Um, so this is the left L and H. Low to high torque maybe. And then which direction you want to go. Has a USB-C plug here. So right now, see it's the 6. It's going, what is it? I already forgot. It is unscrew. And you can adjust torque there. And switch it. Now the screw has a line front. Alright. I guess it auto turns off if you don't use it. There is a USB-A to C cable. There's some foam here that keeps it secure. And here's some bits, some Hags, some Phillips flathead, and then we have this. It's magnetic and has good. It's a good magnet. It'll stay. And yep, that's it. This would be good for small to medium projects. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward and easy to use. So that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.